Hi, this is Sandy again. The Ashford was making so much thumping on my glass table going at full speed that I wanted you to just have a quick video on how quiet the level wind system actually is. Can you hear it? I can't either. Ever so slowly. I don't have the wheel on. I only have the level winding system on. And you can see that it's on from the way this yarn guide is moving. And you can see the little light that's on because the wheel is not on, just the level winding system is on. Thanks for watching. Bye.